Hi, I'm Jennifer and welcome to Salve Salento. I'm walking through the house today that we purchased and I wanted to give you an update on what they've done so far. Okay, so coming up the stairs, the main entrance to the main part of the house that we're doing, the first part, they chipped away at the ceiling and you can see that they sealed in all the joints. So it looks really, really nice. And if you can see, some of the stone there. It's different colors, and this room is going to be so bright because they kept the door. So we're going to put nice doors on there, new doors that'll have glass on them so the light comes through. And then now look at this opening that they made. It is just massive. I gotta be careful I don't fall down the steps, but they went up as high as they could, and when I get to the other side in the bedroom, I'll show you why they went only to that point. So let me come through. We'll go through the kitchen. Quick, we'll come back to the kitchen. So this is the family room, and you can see, look at all of that they took out, but they opened up that doorway already. That's gonna have a nice big door on it. And then they're taking all of this out. So this hasn't happened yet, but this will all be open to outside. It was originally. You can tell by this area that this was outdoors. So they made it part of the house, but we're gonna make it part of the outdoors again because there's no point in having this all covered up. It lets in a lot of beautiful light, and it's a really, really pretty room. So now they're gonna have nice big doors on it. This part, they're in the middle of doing. So it looks like they put the cement and they reinforced above it, and then they're going to end up cutting the bottom part away, which is really nice because now that this doorway is really, really, you see how short it is. It's really short, like I'm not even reaching, and it's tiny. So now everybody will be able to fit in. So we'll go into this bathroom now. They cleared this ceiling. So they took all the old plaster off the ceiling and they sealed it all up. And this ceiling is more of one color. So it's not all the different colors that we have in the other one. There's some that are darker, but I really like this one. It makes it different. So what we're planning is we're going to put the toilet and bidet. And we're gonna have a vanity on this wall, the nice backlit mirror. And then here, we're going to have the shower head there. And then we're gonna try to have no doors, so we're gonna just have a glass panel, and then you can walk in, maybe put a nice seat, a nice shelf, and then we're gonna have the shower, like a rain shower coming down, and so you can just walk in, it'll be open. So this is gonna be a really nice bathroom too. They're gonna replace the windows. So let's go out. So now that door is going to be closed because that'll be part of the bedroom. And they're gonna end up putting the TV here, and they're gonna refurb the fireplace, and then we're gonna get a really nice mantle to put on top. So that'll be pretty. So I have to go through this way because you'll see in a minute. That's why I can't walk through that way. But this is, let me get a really good picture. This opening is so big now. So now from the bedroom, we'll be able to have a clear view of outside, and that is going to be a new window too. So I can't wait. So that will be closed off there. We want to make the bedroom a little bit private, like its own suite. Okay. So this is the new opening that they made, and it actually is going to get just a little bit larger on this side because we're going to put wardrobe cabinets on this wall, and then the bed will be on that wall, and then maybe in that corner like a pretty chaise or something, and some little tables. So I'll come into the bathroom, I'll show you. This is the master bath. And this is the ceiling. It's so beautiful. And they did such beautiful work, like just amazing. And this one is the one that's interesting. So it has all the different color stones. They sealed it up really, really nice. And now by this stone being open, it will allow all of that moisture that's in the shower to just it'll let the room breathe, and it won't keep moisture in. And that they're going to replace. So if you watched my first video, we talked about the shower. So they're going to do double shower, one out of that side, one out of that side, glass on either side, both sides. And then the middle is going to be open. And we're going to put a little shower bench or something in there. Maybe a little, I don't know, shelf or something, just to dress up that, because that's already in the wall and I'd rather not cover it up. So, okay. And then on this wall, we're going to have a vanity with 2 sinks on it. And the faucets will be in the wall. So, and they have to put them in this, so I don't know how they're going to do that, but. And they made the window here a little larger, which is nice, and it lets light in. So now this room's not dark anymore, and we're going to have the toilet and bidet, but we have to find out about this because it's a little low for Dennis, and I don't want him to get knocked out in here in the middle of the night. So I'll have to see if they can do something about that, or we can change that plan because it's a little low. So walking through, and now we're going into the kitchen. So they opened that doorway out to the patio, not really a patio, it's the balcony, that little room off the balcony that's connected to the kitchen. This is going to be left open. So we're not even putting a door on this. And then, I can get over here without falling, there'll be a door right here that opens up to the balcony, and then that goes up the stairs to the roof. And then in this room, we're going to put a grill with a hood, washer and dryer stacked in the corner, and then a little sink and maybe 2 little cooking burners out here. And this floor is all going to have heat on it. So it's going to be the same heating that's in the house, the in-floor heating. So when I go out there in the winter to grill, because we grill all year round, we won't get, well, I won't get cold. So this, over the doorway, they poured the cement. And if you look up at the top, you can see how they made that frame. They chipped the doorway away and they filled it up with cement. And then once it's set, they'll come back and take those panels off, and it will look something like that. That's up there. Which is amazing how they do the building here, because we're from Florida, and in Florida, they just tear the wall down and put up a new wall, and they can have it done in a day, and that this is stone, so it takes them a lot longer to do this kind of work. They really need to be a craftsman to do this, so I'm looking forward to this. And this will be open to the family room, so no door on there. So now, from the kitchen, if somebody's on the couch, they can see when food is ready, or they can actually get up and get it themselves, which would be nice. But, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to this being finished. They haven't showed us what's downstairs in the downstairs apartment yet. So I'm really excited about the progress that they've made so far, and it's important for them to do these things first. It's a little messy in here, but they need to get this done before they can build and do the other parts of the project. They need to come in and do the electric and the plumbing, and to put the doors on inside and outside. So this stuff has to get taken care of first, because they can't have them, doing this while they're doing the other delicate work that needs to be done. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. When I can get into the apartment downstairs, I'll open that up and show you what the progress that they've made in there so far. And if you really like this video, click on the like and subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you soon. Take care.